Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Swapna here. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to paint this simple yet beautiful monarch butterfly on a perspex. I will be using glass painting technique, so I need these glass liners of black, silver and golden shade and different glass paints which are solvent based. I've drawn a simple design on this paper and this is a perspex. I had received few queries regarding the perspex, so that's why I thought of sharing how it looks. So it's basically acrylic sheet and it comes with two sticky layers so that it acts like protective layer from scratches. It looks definitely like glass, but it's much better to handle. If you are comfortable using glasses, please go ahead with the same technique on glass. In my place, glasses of various sizes are not readily available, so that's why I prefer using perspex. I'm fixing the position of the perspex on top of the paper and then starting to transfer the design using the black Pebeo Sound Relief glass liner. You can use any branded glass liners according to the availability at your place. For me, I have ready stocks of Pebeo glass liners as well as glass paints. As I have mentioned earlier, it's much better to start drawing the design from top to bottom or from one side to another. Now the outlining part is completely finished and we let it dry thoroughly. Then let's start applying the paints. I'm using various brands like Pebeo and Marabou Glass Art. Both of them are solvent based glass paints. Here I'll apply pink in the middle and in the borders I'll add magenta, so I'll get double shaded petals for these flowers. You can either use a toothpick or a brush for spreading the paint. Even though I prefer using toothpicks for most of my artworks, for this one I'm using a brush. Another question I often get regarding the glass painting technique I use with the brushes are how I clean my brushes or knives. I usually use white spirit, which is normally used for the oil paintings. I prefer using the white spirit, which are odorless, from the brand Liquitex to clean my brushes and knives. Now we'll start painting the butterflies, and for that also we need two shades. I'll be using orange and yellow. Also in the middle part I'm using crimson shade. All these colors are from Marabou Glass Art. In this middle portion, I am using a slightly transparent shade which is called Parma from Pebeo Vitrail. This is a lighter shade of purple. In the butterfly body and throughout this border, I am using black shade. Now once the painting part is completely dried, we'll add details using these 3 glass liners, all 3 from Pebeo Sound Relief. You can feel free to add any freehand motifs or designs according to your creativity in these portions. I'm just throwing you ideas to mix the colors and add details to a painting. So this is how I have completed the simple yet beautiful butterfly painting. Since the artwork itself is really bright and colorful and has lots of details, I thought of keeping the background simple and plain this time. So I'm using an A5 size ready-made frame, and the painted side will be on the front, and on the back side I am keeping an off-white paper as background. And this is how I completed the artwork. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your creative friends. Or if you're new here, please consider joining the small creative family by pressing that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.